Next at 6, a Verona man will face 20 years of probation, but no new prison time for child trafficking.
It all stems from a 2010 case that involved child pornography and trying to buy a young girl for sex. News 3's Jessica Arp explains the judge's decision.
Entering a Dane County courtroom, Paul Kettering has already served 18 months of a 7.5-year federal prison sentence. But a Dane County DA argues he needs more.
What he tried to do was to obtain for money an 8-year-old child who he could have sex with.
Kettering was arrested in July of 2010 at his Verona home across from an elementary school after trying to buy a girl for sex.
It got reported because he went to a prostitute who herself was so offended by the idea of an 8-year-old being used for this purpose that she flagged down a police officer.
Child porn was found on Kettering's computer. He was convicted in federal court on those charges and has started a treatment program in prison.
I mean, this was a secret. I kept it a secret for a reason. I knew it was wrong. I knew it was embarrassing. I knew it was stupid. Yet I continued, and that the continuation obviously shows the root of the problem, that I do need to seek treatment for this.
Judge Stephen Elke had to decide whether to impose more prison time or give probation after the federal sentence.
At the end of the day, my main concern is that Mr. Kettering be very supervised, and so no child is ever put at risk.
Judge Elke gives Kettering 20 years of probation, saying he believes the federal treatment would be enough and Kettering could be tracked longer to prevent reoffense.
While there's a great tragedy behind this entire ordeal, for me, this is the point where I changed my life and became the person I want to be.
In Dane County Court, Jessica Arp, WISC News 3.
Kettering will be required to register as a sex offender while on probation and will not be allowed to use any computer device without written permission.